Welcome back, guys. We're at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the home. In this video, we will be sharing with you our best window blinds. When you think of interior design, window blinds are probably not the first or even the second thing that comes to mind. But as they give you better control over the room's natural lighting while also assisting you in maintaining your privacy, getting one should be a priority. Here are the 5 best options you have on the market. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The 5th window blinds on our list is the Graywind Motorized Zebra Sheer Blinds, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Perfect for the patio sliding door, living room, bedroom, and even for your office, Graywind's Zebra blinds set up to 80% blackout with alternating sheer and 3-inch slats combination, so you can switch between privacy and light filtering with utmost ease. You can roll the shades up or down automatically at the touch of a finger or set your favorite configuration as the 3rd limit position. At most, the higher quality built-in lithium battery and rechargeable RFZF motor can operate for 3 to 6 months once completely charged. As for simple timing requirements, the single-channel remote gives you access to control the blinds with the app on your phone or a simple voice command, courtesy of Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. In terms of dimensions, this item has a 21-inch profile in both length and width. One thing you should keep in mind is that this one is not waterproof or water-resistant, so make sure to close your windows on a rainy day. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to anyone working from home who doesn't want a total blackout. The 4th window blinds on our list is the SHADESU Custom Size Zebra Blinds, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Falling more into the traditional style of shades, this one uses strings to adjust the amount of light you want in your room. It features 2 layers of fabric that you can either stagger to completely block out light or connect to let in, with universal brackets that let you mount them on the side, top, or end without any extra tools. These are very easy to set up. On top of that, the built-in self-leveling streamlines the adjustment and quick switching between the light blocking. Design-wise, the fabric layers come in a variety of neutral hues, including white, brown, gray, and cream, so you can match them to your home's theme. If you have a unique window size, we would like to highlight the SHADESU also gives you customizable day and night double-layered zebra shades, so you can get this one in a width of 20 inches to 102 inches with a base length of 72 inches. A downside that you might face with this one is that it reportedly has some vague instructions, so you'll have to watch some YouTube videos to install it easier. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for people who are easily awakened by sunlight. The 3rd window blinds on our list is the Achim Home Decor Mini Blind, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Suitable for children and pets, the Achim Cordless Light Filtering Mini Blinds block out light without the hassle of tangle-prone cords. Just raise or lower the bottom rail to adjust the blinds when the sun is too bright or you want to enjoy the view. And to achieve the right balance of privacy and light, simply tilt the wand. This purchase comes with all hardware you need, including small brackets for mounting on the ceiling, wall, or inside. The sturdy, high-quality construction makes sure warping, fading, and sagging won't happen even with frequent exposure to sun and rain. As for the dimensions, it is available from a length of 18 to 72 inches and a width of 42 to 64 inches. From alabaster, pearl white, black wood tone, and gray, they can easily complement any theme. However, some users find them easy to bend, so it might not be best to put these in a room where your kids and pets can play with them unsupervised, since they might change the blind's quality. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to someone who has an outlined window or certain color palette for a table, chairs, cabinets, or other furniture. The 2nd window blinds on our list is the Changshade Cordless and Blackout Roller Shade, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Changshade's strong spring-loaded mechanism is one of the easiest to raise and lower evenly and smoothly back up again, having passed the normal lifting or pulling down tests for blinds 5,000 times with flying colors. This mechanism significantly increases the spring's longevity and makes it easier to install the blind. We know having blinds that are smooth to the touch is a priority for some, so we choose to add this one to our list since it's manufactured from a thick and tough polyester with edges cut to perfection to prevent fraying. Also, it helps regulate temperature and serves as a solar blocking backing with an outside hue of reflective silver. This is environmentally friendly. To top it off, the cord-free design gives the window a neat, tangle-free appearance and makes the area safer for your kids and fur babies. Size-wise, it comes in a variety of dimensions from 20 to 55 inches in width with a base length of 72 inches. Now, if you're very particular about keeping the aesthetic, it's worth noting that the notches stick out a bit, which might look like it doesn't exactly fit the window, but it's not too noticeable. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for homeowners who live in windy locations. The best window blinds on our list are the Bali light filtering cellular shade, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Though it comes in a simple and classic design, Bali blind shades are available in a variety of sizes, including 27 by 64 inches, 29 by 64 inches, 31 by 64 inches, and 36 by 64 inches. Do note that they are cut 0.5 inches shorter in the factory by the manufacturer for a better fit for outlined windows. These low-cost window coverings offer privacy with a clean, functional design, plus they are straightforward in their operation as they employ a wand to control the slat angle and a cordless design to control height. You can install them within an hour since the package already gives you the necessary hardware to mount them inside or outside a window frame. We also have to put up a spotlight on their ability to prevent the heat from the sun from entering your space during summer and to contain warm air in winter. It's quite a bummer that they only come in a white color though, but this helps complement any room. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for college students in a dorm, renters, and people who are living in a temporary space who don't want to spend too much on interior design but still want a beautiful and functional window blind. And there you have it, folks, our best window blinds, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next window blind roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.